All right, back with popular demand. Well, one person. One person is interested in this thing, and apparently nobody else. So, anyway, because of his one comment and him following me for almost 10 years, it's about time I drag this thing back out and do a little bit more work on it. So, anyway, the gentleman that is following this, you know who you are. Anyway, what we're going to try to tackle here in the near future, aka as soon as this video is done, I'm going to start working on it. I've got to pull the gas tank off, pull the seat off, pull the carburetor out, pull the top end of the motor apart, or just down to the camshaft, because I'm going to put a stage 2 XR400 cam in it, hopefully. Let's see if that works, because it won't have the auto decompressioner in there, and if the electric start can't kick it over, then might have to switch back. But in the meantime, that's kind of our game plan. And I have to pull the carb out because I have to do some modification to the inlet of it, because there is a drastic, how would you say, angle from the carburetor to the flange that goes to the cylinder head. Anyway, so I got to alter that flow path right there, and we'll see how that works. The other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to wire in this headlight. Yep, that's me in the reflection. So, anyway, this I was waiting for the 400EX headlight bulb socket plug so I can plug it in. So I'll get that wired in and hopefully that'll work. So anyway, if you guys haven't followed this or know what it is, this is my XR400AF. I call it the AF because it's an aluminum frame conversion, and it's the 400EX engine shoehorned into a CRF450 chassis. Did it fit great? No, not one bit. There was a lot of modification to try to get this thing to fit, and it's been a challenge every step of the way. So anyway, that's kind of it in a nutshell. It's kind of what Honda should have built, but Honda did not do it like this, so I kind of did. And it's kind of been a money pit ever since. So was it great to do it? Yes. Would I have chose not to do it now? Probably so, just with how much money I've spent on it. So, but that's it. It's been sitting collecting dirt for a while. So anyway, got to get the battery charged up on it a little bit, and who knows, maybe we'll get it running right. Maybe I'll just part it out and just be done with this project. Because I mean, I've got too many other projects. Got that bike done, got my truck to work on, this thing obviously, but this is where they all end up coming to die, aka sit in the corner covered up with towels, just to try to keep the dust off of them. So oh well, projects seems like they never end. So anyway, we'll see how far I can get on this today, and maybe I'll have an update later tonight or maybe tomorrow. See how it goes.